First, I want you to go to youtube.com where you can discover a variety of videos to watch. And then, I want you to click on any of these videos. Second, I want you to view at least 30 seconds of the video after you've arrived at it. And lastly, boom, you make money. Take a look at these genuine payment proofs from individuals all around the globe. All of this money for every single video they view. Now, here's how much money you can make from this. If you watch one YouTube video, you can earn $5. And if you watch 10 videos, you can earn $50. And if you view 50 videos each day, you can make $250. Guess what? You can do this as many times as you want and continuing generating money since YouTube is available globally. You can watch it from any nation on the globe, and all you need right now is a mobile phone or a computer. I will show you a few samples as well as a few videos that you may view, so stay tuned and watch to the finish. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show you how you can make up to $5 for each video by watching easy YouTube videos like these. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to click on the sign in icon up top, which will lead you to this page. If you don't already have a YouTube account, you can make one for free by clicking on Create Account, from which you can establish a free Google account and join up for YouTube. When you enter into your YouTube account, you will see a section on the left called Best of YouTube, which will show you the most popular videos on the site right now, such as music, sports, gaming news, and so on. In this video, I will show you a secret strategy that no one is talking about now. I want you to click on this gaming category and it'll take you to this page because there are millions of people watching these videos on YouTube and they don't know how they can make a lot of money, and I will show you the secret on how to do it. And that is exactly how all of these guys are making a lot of money. So, for the first bonus tip, I want you to concentrate on this type of video that is Among Us. This is one of the most popular games right now that is trending. They are picking up a strong trend right now, and as you can see here, the number of viewers is increasing. Many people like to watch these types of gaming videos, and you might have an early start by clicking on the category Among Us, which will take you to a website where you can find some particular videos regarding Among Us. Look at all of these live streaming videos that are now available, and all you have to do now is click on any of them. For example, if I click on this one, it will take me to a page where they are live streaming and a large number of people are watching. There is a lot of demand and a lot of chances to make money online on this type of video right on YouTube. So keep watching and I'll teach you precisely how to earn a lot of money from this type of YouTube video. And you can do it for a variety of other YouTube videos in this category. Now we must proceed to the second website, 7r6.com, to convert these YouTube videos into real money. I will keep the link right here on the screen, but basically you can shorten URLs and turn them into real money on this website. Don't worry, I will break it down for you. It's a lot simpler than you would imagine. There aren't many people talking about this approach right now, and if you stick with it until the finish, you might make a lot of money. Before I teach you the following stages in generating money online, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to speed on new methods to make money online. Now, let's go back to the video. So the concept is pretty easy. You just need to create a free account on 7r6.com, and then you just need to shorten different URLs of other YouTube videos, which I will teach you how to do in just a minute. For step number 3, you could be making money from every single video. Now, quickly, I would like to show you an example of how it works. For example, if you're watching this gaming video on YouTube, you can find the share button under here. Click on the share button and you will be able to find a YouTube URL link for this video. After that, go back to 7r6.com and paste the URL into this box. Then click on this tiny button and this website will automatically help convert and shorten the long YouTube link into a fresh and new unique link. As you can see right now, you will get paid every time someone clicks on this particular link, and that is precisely how all of these guys make so much money every single day right here on our website. Once you've earned your money, you can cash it out into your PayPal account or any other payment option. So, the first step is to return to the main page and click on the sign up button, which will take you to this page where you may register for a brand new membership, which is 100% free and available globally. When you log into your account, this is what you will see right here on your dashboard after entering your username, email, and password and agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy and clicking on the register button. For step number 2, I want you to click on this button on top that says New Shortened Link. That's where we will copy and paste our YouTube URL link and shorten it. All we have to do is go back to our YouTube video and click on the share button to copy the URL link, and then go back to the dashboard and paste the link right here on this box. So, for step 3, I want you to return to YouTube and repeat the process for up to 3 different videos. The more videos you copy the URL for, the more money you will make. The bonus tip I would like to share with you is that I want you to concentrate on this category because you will be making a lot of money, and I especially want you to concentrate on live streaming videos. For example, I am going to click on this video, which will take me to another brand new live streaming video. With this many people watching the video, you will be able to make a lot of money from it. So we will use the same technique again. Click the share button, copy the URL link, go to 7r6.com and put in the second link, then click shorten. Remember what I taught you? Just use the same method to discover various videos. Copy the URL and then shorten the URL link. Now, for the final step, go to steamcommunity.com. Basically, this is a gaming website platform where a lot of people talk about different strategies for playing different games. And right now, there are just so many different discussions going on among us. And a lot of people are talking about this game because it is so trending and popular right now. They are getting millions and millions of views every single day, and this is going to be your best chance to capitalize on this trend. Combine the power of 7r6.com with all of these YouTube videos and you can make a lot of money. Now, basically, what you can do is sign up for a free account on the Steam community. You may start a trend, make a post, and share your shortened URL with the Steam community. From there, you will receive a lot of clicks and people will view your link, click on it, and watch the video. So you will make money for every single click. And with just one video, you might make hundreds of thousands of dollars. And for those of you who are still watching, I would want to give you a unique extra tip that will help you earn more money than other people. Now, this is going to be a secret website that I will never disclose with anybody else. But I want to share it with you right now, and that is moot.us. This is a special forum where you can discover various individuals exchanging information about this game, and many people are uploading different photos and videos as you can see below. They are getting hundreds of thousands of views about Among Us gaming, and since you have made it this far, I would like to share this opportunity with you, especially if you concentrate on this category and copy the link of this type of video, which is live streaming video. You could be getting hundreds of thousands of views and making a lot more money. So, as a last treat, I would like to provide you this completely free copy and paste template that you may use and post on the Steam community or the moot.us forum. From there, you will receive a lot of clicks on your shortened link and make a lot of money. This is just one of the easy examples that will earn you a lot of clicks. Have you guys seen this fantastic Among Us gaming video? It is mind-blowing, says the template. You can watch the live streaming right here, and then this is where you will put your shortened link. So go back to your dashboard and copy this item right here. Then go back to our template and paste the link right there, and that is our shortened link. All we have to do is copy this entire template and then post them into the Steam community or the forum. We don't have to put in a lot of effort because these particular gaming videos are picking up a lot of trends and are super popular right now, especially if you find good videos on YouTube with a lot of views. It will be simple to generate a lot of clicks on your shortened link, which is exactly how all of these people make so much money from all over the world for each and every video they watch. I do hope that you have found this video very useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.